Hello and welcome to Technical Utkranti, and in this question we'll see how to reverse the linked list starting from the kth position. This is the thought for the day. Pause and go through it. And these are the questions that we have done in the linked lists. So the question is that you are given a linked list and you have to reverse it starting from the kth position, which in this case, let's say we want to reverse the linked list from the third position. So I have just enclosed the reversed part for more clarity, and our output should look like this. So we are over here, and what we'll do is we will mark this node, the node just before the node we want to reverse from, and this would be D. F would be the first node of this group, and N would be the next node of the first node. Okay, now our purpose is that all these linkages we want to reverse, the first node over here should point to none. That's how this will become the last node, and the last node over here should come first, right? So this 2 should point to the last node over here. All right. So we are over here, and we will use this particular algorithm to achieve our desired outcome. Okay, so what will happen? F dot next becomes N dot next, which means that this linkage would break and F dot next would point to 5. This is done in order to keep the route to this particular node secured, because we will reverse this linkage, and if we would do without having a secured route to 5, then there will be no route left for going to 5. That's why f dot next becomes n dot next. Then n dot next becomes d dot next. So d dot next is this node, and n dot next becomes d dot next, which means that this linkage would be reversed now. Then d dot next becomes n, which means that this, which was pointing to 3 right now, would point to 4 after that instruction, and n becomes f dot next. F dot next is already 5, so n jumps over here. So this is how it would look like. You can pause and understand how we came from this to this using these instructions. In a similar way, we would execute the same instruction on this again, and we'll have this linkage reversed over here. And again, after applying the same instructions on this, we will get this. Over here, n becomes none, and our algorithm is finished, and our output is also achieved. All right. So let's jump at the code and understand how we are coding and does it really work. So this is the algorithm which we have done as of now. We have noted down the starting of the node, and then we are just going at that boundary where we have to reverse the linked list. And once that is done, we are just employing those code instructions, and we'll get the desired output. So I have this linked list, and I'll print the linked list before applying any method to it, and then after reversing starting from k, I'll again print the linked list. So let's say I want to reverse the linked list starting from the third node or third position. Let's see what I get. Starting from the third node, it has reversed this particular section, right? So I hope you understood the approach, and if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.